So I decided to go back to an old project of mine. It was a simple project, just a music player. I had it so I could play music files from your computer and it could save them to a playlist if you wanted to. Now, it worked okay-ish, but I wanted to retool it for my dev stream so that I could play music while working and the viewers could see the music I was playing. I wanted to do a dev stream of me making it, but in hindsight, it was probably for the best that I didn't because I was stuck for a while on certain aspects, but I got it to work within less than a day. If you want to try out the app, you can go to the link below in the description or the pinned comment. It'll take you to the itch.io to download the app for free, though donations are appreciated. The app is pretty simple to use. It'll open up as a full screen app and needs to be full screen for it to look transparent. It'll be waiting to play music. Simply click on the folder button and it'll prompt a file explorer. Choose a folder with the music files in it, and once you choose it, it'll automatically play all the music, including subfolders, randomly. That way, you just need to target one folder with all the music you want to play, and it does it. You may notice that mine has album art on the side. If yours doesn't have that, then that means the music file doesn't have any album art embedded within it. To fix this, all you need to do is add a PNG file in the same folder as the song, and it will use this image as the album art. Make sure that the album art has a square resolution, its width and height are the same, otherwise it may not look as good. Also, the main UI is centered on your screen on startup. This can be moved wherever you want on the same screen. This doesn't move to a new screen for dual screen users, unfortunately. By dragging the album art, and the entire UI will follow with it. And if you want to skip to a new song, you just click where the name of the song is, and it'll skip to a new song. Also, I added a simple progress bar to show the playtime of the song. I tried to make it not too distracting so it doesn't get in the way of the song name. I will note that this app isn't perfect. The one issue is that sometimes the focus on the app gets lost after a while. But to fix that, all you need to do is click the music app on the taskbar and it'll be refocused again. If you encounter any errors, let me know in the comments here, on YouTube, or on itch.io. Thanks for watching, have a good one.